waa inaan shirkayaga maanta aan duca aan ku furno wadaadkayagaan siinaynaa walgaygu yaaraahna oo donjal qabni duratti ay baana ka eegalun waliyada jiifnaan.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. waxaanu ku bilaabaynaa insha Allah sida islaamnimadu nafaraysa ama diinta islaamku noo sheegayso aayado quraan. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواسوا بالحق وتواسوا بالصبر. صدق الله. إن شاء الله إلهي موافقة هنا وافج. إلهي عليك أنا يطلق هذا. إلهي عليك أنا يطلق هذا. ده ديار أو لو الشيء أنا بلا مليون مسوي هالمليون. يا نبابي وهل كان إلهي أنا يطلق هذا. تظفر بدن بنا إلهي موافقة النسيء. إلهي موافقة النسيء. إلهي حرق النقبة سي. واعتصموا بحبل الله. ولا أعتصموا بحبل الله جميعا ولا تفرقوا. إلهي فرق عن غير إلهي. إلهي حرق أنا بلا خوض خبصه. ودن كهنا سين الجليل الله نوحر أيه. بلا يد يباس إلهي نقطع الغاضب. إلهي هل وجده نقدره. نبت جليدين يا أمان كين يا عيدين سبب إلهي نسوع عليه. تذكر دوش نقطع صد إلهي نقصي قاض. فرعين تا إلهي نضافيه. أوكي وبالله التوفيق. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
عليه إنما أنت ذلك أرمض كوبا بأيه هل مرد بنا حسوسنا ودنه إننا هن. Good afternoon all. My name is Samia Osman. I'm honored to be here today presenting EPFD. EPFD stands for People Alliance for Freedom and Democracy. People Alliance for Freedom and Democracy was created 2015, October 25 in Norway, Oslo. Why do we need to create this? Why do we need this alliance? When you feel sick or you feel illness in your body, you go to see the provider. You have to tell your illness first to the provider. Before they give you medication, they have to know what is your problem is by taking lab, X-ray, MRI. After they search all this, they diagnose that disease to treat. To give the right medication, they have to diagnose. So our problem is what? We all who create this alliance, we have the same problem. We have the same illness. We have the same enemy we are facing today. We are facing genocide in our country, in Oromia, in Ogaden, in Benishangul, in Gambella, in Sidama. The problem starts from the beginning in Ogaden region. We remember what happened from 1993 up to today. But today, heavily, it is facing in Oromia region. We are losing every single day Oromo women and men, father and mothers. For last 5 months, we lost more than 500 Oromo students in Oromo mothers. In our country is bleeding, in our heart is bleeding. So to stop this TPLF regime, who is terrorizing our nation, in our people, we have to stop them. The way we stop them is to make the alliance. 5 of us, if we stand 5 different locations and fight against this enemy, it's going to take time to succeed. But if we join by one force, we can collapse the Tigrayan regime. So, to do that, this is the first step. The 5 organizations who make this alliance, 2015 in Norway, Oslo, Gambella Liberation Movement, GPLM. The second, Benishangul People Liberation Movement, BPLM. Oromo Liberation Front, OLF, Ogaden National Liberation Front, ONLF, Sidama National Liberation Front, SNLF. So this is powerful organizations who came together and to give for Wayane last shot to move them out from our land. So this is unity is very important. As a nation and nationality, we have to be with this movement. We have to support it. We have to be with it. We do not have to cry every single year, in every single day. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Oromo, we are saying 4 millions. Ogaden, 50 millions. Gambellas, tell me all this. 5 million people are terrorizing our nation. Shame on us. What's wrong with us? Nothing is too late, but we have to get up and do what we have to do. We have to get up and finish our homework. Until we get our destination, Oromo students, they never will give up their struggle. They are starting today. This is the shirkam yaga maanta aan ka hadlayno. Shirkan bisha October 2025 dalka Norway magaalada Oslo shantan urure iskugu yimid xorka dalkooga iyo dadkooga u dooday xornimadooda u taagan annaga oo dhan waan isfiirinay hal dhib baan haysata hal ciladaan haysata hal cudur baan haysta cudurka yagan iyuu yahay cudur haddaad garanayso cudurkaaga waa inaad dawo u raadisid haddaana dawo u raadin oo dhahda cudur baa yahay dhakhtarkuna kaama daweyn karo laakiin cudurkaaga dhakhtarku hadduu garto siduu ku daweey aad u jilicsan tahay markaan isku niminay aan cudurka yagaan garanay cudurka yagu waa TPLF gangsters caruurta reer Wayaane waaye reer Maqale reerka sidaan iskaga celin karno annaga shanta meelood taagan haddaan isku nimaano oo dhibtayada aan ka hadalno oo quraatan iska celin karna haddii kale guumaysigii baa waqti siinayna inuu nasiib baabiyo haddii aragti shanta urur isku yimid Gambella Banishangul Oromo Ogaden Sidama annaga oo dhan hal dhib baan haysata dalka yaga South Warkaysi land grab dalkii oo dhaway qaateen investorada reer Yurub bay ka gadeen dadka yaga si aan bini aadan loo dilin maanta adduunka aan deganahay 21st century-ga xoolo dibad socda ma dili kartid sharci baa u taagan dadkeena laakiin sida aan xoolo wala dhaqmin ula dhaqmayaan reerkani soo inaan kani aan joojino waa ku qasbanay inaan iskugu nimaano walaalahay waa inaan isgarab joogsano waa inaan hal gacan aan isqabsano waa inaan midnimadeena aan tusno oo dawladda Tigray TPLF marka dhamaadka ay meesha ka yimaadeen aan ku celino iyagu guriga u dagaalamayaan qofku guriga u dagaalamaya uu baabinaya annaguna dalkayaga meeshaan u dhalanaan u dagaalamayna waayo dib guriga ma hayno dalkayaga oo dhan bay iska barwaaqaysan alxamdulillah iyagu laakiin dalkoogii baa waxba aan beeray so dadkan inaan ka hortagno waan ku qasbannahay mahadsanidaan leeyahay victory for our nation and nationality I will say thank you very much let me from ONLF Ogaden National Liberation Front our guest will be Noor Ahmed Noor from Mohammed Noor from Central Committee of ONLF I will give to him the stage for next 10 minutes we will see the stage.
Good afternoon. I cannot speak many languages like my sister. So it's better that to speak English at least so that majority of us will understand. If I speak Somali only, maybe and few others may understand. So I cannot speak Oromo, I cannot speak Gambella. So let me speak what I can at least deliver the message. I'm greeting you all. Thank you for coming this important event, for supporting and showing solidarity for People's Alliance for Freedom and Democracy, BAFD. BAFD was established, as my sister said, by 5 liberation movement organizations representing nations of Oromia, Ogaden, Gambella, Sidama, and Benishangul at the Great Conference held in Oslo, Norway on October 25, 2015. The BAFD vision is transformed to transform the current empire state of Ethiopia into free, democratic, developed community of nations who coexist peacefully and freely chosen system of government, either in a single federal system or allied independent states. We are communities of these nations declare here today as Minnesotans and United States that we fully support BAFD mission and visions. BAFD vowed to fight the war against the TPLF-led regime of Addis Ababa for the purpose of freedom, democracy, dignity, and justice. The people of Ogaden, Oromia, Gambella, Benishangul, and Sidama are against the rule of brutal regime of Addis Ababa because people are fed up and tired of this regime's oppressive rule, lie, hegemony, and deception. Our people of Oromia, Ogaden, Gambella, Sidama, and Benishangul say no more oppressive regime's rule, no more subjugation, and no more looking down. Our people, we cannot accept our broad people to look down when Wayane come to their villages and their homes, but we will prevail our dignity and freedom. Some criminals of TPLF leaders may argue and mislead the world that about the killing innocent civilians, for the keeping law and order. They may say to kill when they kill the Oromia, when they kill Ogaden, when they kill Gambella people. They say, oh, we are keeping law and order. That's what they tell their supporters. And their supporters who? The Western countries, who funds them, armed them, and silent what's going on now in Oromia. And also the similar things in 2007, what they did in Ogaden. Our communities and many others live under the oppressive rule of what's called Ethiopia, are experiencing similar destruction and mayhem situation, such as killing, rape, mass detention without due process, disappearance, looting, land grabbing, displacement, economic blockade, consistent intimidation, collective banishment, starving people to death, hiding the truth, banning villages and homes, you name it. I only mentioned small, tiny part of how our people are suffering under this repressive regime. The significance attached to this meeting we have here today, our diaspora communities here in America, is determination of support for our people's struggle against the brutal regime of Addis Ababa led by TPLF criminal gangs. Dear comrades, remember, we are enemies. Our enemy's mission is to confuse and divide our people. Therefore, we must reject these cheap tactics of TPLF because our struggle is for genuine liberation and will settle for nothing else. I am confident that the day is not far off, either when we shall celebrating the liberation of Ogaden, Oromia, Sidama, Gambella, and Benishangul. This might sound like a remote dream at the moment, but I'm repeating statement which human history tells. Finally, we can triumph and overcome against our merciless and arrogant TPLF enemy. We can win the better world we are aspiring all. But it cannot happen only if we steadfast in our principles of freedom and equality. It can happen only if we stand together among ourselves. No one can stop a people who stood up for their freedom and dignity. I will conclude. Few famous liberation proverbs or sayings that some people said in the past. You cannot hold a man down without staying down with him. We say in Somali, haddii aad nin biyo makhursiiso, adiguna waad ula makhursanta intaad ku hayso gudaha. The oppressor is never as free as they think they are. Remember, even though they are killing our people, colonizing and oppressing, they are also not free. Their fear is always imminent. They are worrying about when they will die. They are worrying about when they lose the power. Sometimes we say the colonists or the people who oppress the people, they do that because of fear. Fear. Nobody can give you freedom. Nobody can give you equality or justice or anything. If you are man, you take it. Malcolm X said. For if colonization destroys the colonizer, it also rots the colonizer. Albert Memon said that. I mean, what this famous saying is, if the one who oppressed the people make the people's situation bad, it makes himself also bad. Thank you very much for listening. Victory for PAFD nations of Oromia, Ogaden, Gambella, Sidamo, Benishangul, and all oppressed peoples. Thank you.